In the previous videos, we talked about adding 2 to the abacus multiple times, and then we talked about adding twice, adding a number 2 times, okay? The same number twice. So, similarly, in the last video, we talked about adding 3 multiple times, and this time we're going to talk about adding different numbers 3 times, adding a number thrice, okay, to the abacus. I know that sounds a little bit funny, but that's what it is. Okay, so let's take a look at the abacus and see what we're talking about. Okay, so this time we're going to just add different numbers 3 times to the abacus. So like the number 6, we're going to add 6, then we add 6 again, okay, then we add 6 again, all right, and see what numbers we get. So let's start with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, and we added it 3 times. And that obviously gives us the number 3, okay? Next one, 2. So if we add 2 3 times, that gives us 6. Now we're going to do 3. And then another 3, and we get 9. Now 4. Once, twice, and thrice. Okay, that gives us 12. Now 5. 5, 10, and 15. Okay, so if we add 5 3 times, that gives us 15. Now 6. And that gives us 18. Now 7. Once, twice, and now thrice gives us 21. So 7 thrice is 21. And okay, now 8. Once, twice, and 3 times is 24. Okay, let's talk about how we did that. 8, don't have 8 to add, so we add 1 over, take away the complement, and then again we don't have enough to add, so we add 1 over, take away the complement, which is 2. We have to take this 5 away and add 3, so 24. Good. Now 9. Once, twice, and thrice is 27. Now 10, once, twice, and thrice gives us 30. Okay, it just looks like, it looks the same as 1, 2, 3, but in the next column, okay? Because it's 1 10, 2 10s, and 3 10s gives us 30. But you could keep going if you wanted to. You could say 11. 11 again, and 11 again gives us 33. 12, twice, and then 3 times, okay, gives us 36, okay? But definitely up to 10, I would say practice adding different numbers thrice or 3 times. Practicing adding numbers multiple times to the abacus like this, when you're practicing your multiples, this is the perfect way to train your mental abacus, okay? Imagining it in your mind's eye. All right, so let's say I close my eyes and I'm going to imagine the abacus right here in front of me. And then I imagine putting two beads up and then adding another 2 beads up, and I can see 4. I can see it just like I'm looking at the abacus. And then I add 2 again. So I add the top bead, take away 3 on the bottom, and that leaves me with 6, a 5, and a 1. Okay, so practice that. Doing your multiples of these lower numbers especially will help you um, train your mental abacus, okay? So that you can eventually do math with no abacus, all right? So, um, to train your mental abacus, you're just adding the same number multiple times, okay? That's a really good way to practice. So, I think that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.